What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today I'll be showing you part 2 of how to fix your PS4 if it keeps overheating. Okay, so this shouldn't take you very long to do, but what you need to have is your PS4, of course, and you need to get like a straw. It does not matter. You can get like the clear straw, the white straw. It does not matter. Or you can use a can of air if you have some, but I know most people that's watching this video don't have a can of air. And you're also going to need 2 Q-tips, and you just want to wet them with water on both ends. What you're going to do once you have those, you want to get your PS4, and you see all this dust right here. Let me show you if you can actually see it. Let's get a better light. Come here. If you can see it, 1 minute. If you see all that dust right here, you see all that dust? You have dust all around your PS4. What you're going to want to do is you want to get the straw. You want to blow in like a horizontal line. So you want to get your PS4, right? And you see, so it's dust right here, right there in like the crack. What you want to do is put your straw like this, like right there, and you want to begin to blow. Like go through this, start right here, start right there. So let's do it right now. And then as you continue to blow, what you can do is get the straw and use this end and just swipe the rest of that stuff off. Just swipe it off. You see how this is coming off? I don't know, the lighting kind of bad in here, but you see right there? You just want to swipe that off as you continue to blow. But just go around it, the whole area, and just keep continuing to blow. And once you do that, that should get it. Just make sure, like I said, to just swipe all the stuff that you blew out. You just want to swipe it. So basically, while we're blowing horizontally is because we want to blow the air outwards instead of down. If we blow like downwards, it's going to continue to go into the PS4. You don't want that to happen. Okay, so now what you can do is you can get your Q-tips and you can just begin to just wipe like the excess dust off your PlayStation. So just wipe it off. Get as much as you can off with the 2 Q-tips. But if you need more, just go ahead and use more. So that should be enough of how you fix your overheating PS4. It should work for you guys. Just make sure you follow all the steps, and your PS4 should not overheat as much, or at a minimum. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll be back to show you how.
They told me it was never gonna end. I'm at the top, never descend. Calling my name is going. Know that my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin'. Won't come back till I throw some hundreds. Throw the racks and I tell her.